Right now at $4.30, requested over here on investorshangout.com/live. 8,070, I'm sorry, just over 8,000 shares traded. 300, let me get this in. And then on the 12th, 551 shares traded. Not too many shares, guys, requested, but obviously we will take a look at it. It does see, just looking at this chart, I'm just voicing my personal opinion. Anytime that volume comes in, it gets whacked down with selling. That is what I'm seeing going on here with this stock chart. Again, just voicing my opinion. The two things that you're going to need to have this thing move is going to be the volume, one, and selling to slow. Those are going to be the two things that you guys are going to want to see slow down. $4 is going to be a must hold. Otherwise, you will go down and tap the $3.90 mark again, in my personal opinion. Right now, watch for the break at 460. That would be a good sign. 480 and $5 are going to follow up off of that resistance level. But most importantly, we're going to put our main resistance level right now, $4.43. I know it's close together, but again, that is what I'm watching for. There's not much movement here. It's going to all come down to the volume and the selling. That being said, I'll hand it off to Joe and see what he has if he's ready.
All right, so they had a press release on April 13th, 2017. It was ONVIA tracks record volume of government contract leads across federal, state, local, and educational markets. So let's see, ONVIA, a leading sales intelligence and acceleration in business to government, BTG, today or on April 13th announced that it published an all-time record volume of bids, RFPs, and government contract leads in the month of March. ONVIA's B2B intelligence system captured 14% more federal, state, local, and educational bids and RFPs year over year. This expanded volume of data advances ONVIA's leadership in sales intelligence and acceleration for B2G. So the B2G market has gained increased attention in the current economic and political environment, said Russ Mann, CEO of ONVIA. Companies are hungry to capture their share of a growing public sector market. Businesses of all sizes, from small business to global enterprises, come to us looking for the tools to help them build pipeline and accelerate growth in B2G. So growth pipelines with sales intelligence and acceleration for B2G. So let's see. I mean, I could keep going through it. I'm going to see what they do right here. So they find advanced technologies. So ONVIA, they create data about millions of exchange contracts, agencies, and decision makers, vendors, and channel projects, and investment plans, awards, records, and market trends. Our B2G intelligence system delivers quality leads, process agility, and strategic foresight, equipping companies of all sizes to grow their public sector business and government agencies to gain procurement efficiency, resolving the friction in this vital, complex, multi-trillion-dollar marketplace. They create mutual value for private and public sectors, taxpayers, and society at large. So these guys are pretty much, I'm guessing, helping companies get these contracts, so they're more like curators or something. So that's that. They let's see what their filings. They have a few different things. It's something I looked over here. There's a definitive 14A, I believe it was. Yeah, 14A from March 3rd, March 30th, and that has something to do with May 9th. So an important notice regarding the availability of proxy materials for the annual meeting of the stockholders to be held on May 9th, 2017. So they have the shareholder meeting coming up next month. All right, and what's going to be going on at this during it? They're going to elect 2 Class 2 directors to serve term 3 years, each nominated by the board of directors, and they're going to have a ratification of the appointment of Moss Adams LLP as ONVIA's independent registered public accounting firm for the fiscal year 2017. And let's see, then they're going to vote on the ratification of the second amended and restated section 382 tax provision plan. That's pretty much that with that thing. I mean, I seen there's a few Form 4s up here. So James Brill bought some shares. I'm not sure if they were the code on it. All right. I mean, there's all different things. These guys, obviously, to go into the financials, it obviously, where is it? It's right there for the 10K on March 2nd, 2017. It's really on you, David, on time. If you want me to, I'll pull it up real quick, see what they do. Money wise. Because I mean, they just put out the record numbers on that. So I mean, obviously that was for last quarter. I just want to get an idea of what kind of money they pull in. All right, so total revenue for the years ended December 31st, 2016 and 15 was 24.6 million and 23.6 million respectively. Subscription revenues for the year ended December 31st, 2016 grew 6% over the year ended December 31st, 2015. And 2016, we were notified that our largest content license customer, representing 810,000 in annual revenue, elected not to continue with our partnership. This will negatively impact bookings, revenue, and cash flow in 2017. Our annual operating initiatives are designed to drive subscription revenue growth, as discussed in the management overview section above. All right, so they're basically already anticipating, a lower revenue base for 2017 on account of losing that one company that represented 810,000 in annual revenue. So that's there. I mean, that you could go through that whole thing and, get more of a bigger sense of what they're doing and who they're working with and everything else, but obviously that takes time. So if you have an opinion on the company, just go right over to that ONVI board and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
All right.
If you want to do that, all right. No, and then if you want to keep doing the due diligence, you'll see it right over there in the filings. Just go pull it up and have at it.
And that's what I just pulled up right here that Joe's talking about with the filings. All this information is completely free, available over here on Investors Hangout. And again, with the chart, 430, volume would need to pick up here and selling too slow, in my opinion. Resistance at 443, 460. Actually, it was going to be a little bit higher than I put in 460 twice. Let me go ahead and correct it really quick. 480 is going to be the follow-up off of that one as well. Support at 430 and then 390. So a little bit of a gap down there as far as the support goes with that one. So with that being said, if this is your first time watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We would appreciate it very much. And share this video with all other investors on different stock message boards, stock forums, and social networks. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we cover it. And join us for our next live stream. Don't miss it when we do this live. InvestorsHangout.com/live.